Hello everyone, Nikhil this side from Coding Beam. So in this video we are going to learn about the array destructuring in the ES6. So what exactly is the array destructuring? So about the destructuring is an efficient way to extract multiple values from the data which is stored in the arrays or objects, and it is used to unpack the values from an array and to use it for a purpose, and it allows us to destructure an array into some individual variables. So about the ES6, it provides a new feature called the destructuring assignment, which allows you to destructure elements of an object or the arrays into some individual variables. But why do we need the array destructuring? So if I have an array of 3 elements inside the Visual Studio Code, so now we have an array of 3 cities. So if I want to store the values of Delhi, Mumbai and Chennai into their individual elements, so then we need the destructuring of the arrays. So how it will be done? So we need to store the elements into their positions in the array, like let Delhi and Mumbai and the Chennai. So now if I will give it a value of the cities, then they will be stored inside their variables. So if I will now console.log the Delhi, then it will be Delhi in the console window. And if I will just console.log the Mumbai, then it will be stored in the Mumbai variables, and then you will see the value will be the Mumbai of the variable. So if I will now just console.log the Chennai, then it will be Chennai in the console window. So these are about the structuring of the arrays in the JavaScript ES6. So why actually do we need them? To provide values of arrays to the variables and to dynamically use the arrays. So these are about the array structuring in the ES6. So thank you guys for watching the video, and I hope you will like the video. And guys, please subscribe to our channel if you are new.